Hello and welcome guys, welcome to Craxoid. Finally MIUI 10 Global Beta Update 9.3.1 is available for Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and today in this video I will show you how can you install this MIUI 10 Global Beta Update 9.3.1 on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's start the process. To install MIUI Global Beta Update 9.3.1 on your Redmi Note 5 Pro, you have to download a zip file from the description below. I'll provide the link in the description below so that you can easily download this file. As you can see here on the screen, this is the required file you have to download. I have installed Pixel Experience ROM on my Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, so it looks like this, and it has Android 5 and it has lots of features. And if you want to install this ROM on your ROM, I have made a separate video about it. You can check the video in the description so that you can easily install this ROM. There are two methods to install this beta ROM on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. The first one is with the help of TWRP and the second one is without TWRP. I will show you both methods in this video, so watch this video till end. Okay, first of all I will install this beta ROM 9.3.1 with the help of TWRP. And if you don't know how to install TWRP on your Redmi Note 5 Pro, then I have made a separate video on how to install TWRP. You can check the video is in the description. Then you can install TWRP on your Redmi Note 5 Pro first. So after installing TWRP on your phone, then you have to power off your phone. So simply power off your phone. Then you have to press power button and volume up button simultaneously to enter into the TWRP recovery mode. And this is TWRP recovery mode. So first of all, click on this wipe button. Click on Advanced Wipe and select Dalvik, Cache, Data, System, Finder and Swipe. And then go back and click on Install. And then select the beta ROM zip file that you have downloaded and click on it and then swipe. And this is installing here, and this might take some little bit of time. So it is successfully installed. Then click on Wipe Cache Dalvik and then swipe. And then click on Reboot System and then swipe. And this will reboot your phone, and this might take some couple of minutes, so wait. Booting process completed. Now you have to type your MI account password to activate the device. And you have to do some simple basic setup like connect your Wi-Fi, connect your Gmail account. So you can do it by yourself, so I will skip it. And finally we have installed MIUI 10 Global Beta ROM 9.3.1 on our Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. And you can see how it looks like. It is as similar as to its previous version, and there is little minor changes only. And you can see on About Phone, device name Redmi Note 5 Pro, Android version 8.1, Android security patch level of February, and MIUI version 9.3.1 Global Beta. There is one useful feature on this ROM, and that is you can now add your face data to unlock the application. So as you can see here on the app lock, you can now add face data. As you can see here on the screen, use face unlock. You can add your face data, but I'm not going to add my face data right now. So but you can add your face data if you wanted to. So this is one useful feature. And if you might wondering if you get 4K video recording option or not, then you will be sad there is no any 4K video recording option in this ROM. And you can record 15 seconds short video. And there are some other options and that are same as they used to before, as you can see here on the screen. And now I will tell you how to install this beta ROM without TWRP. Go to your settings and go to your About Phone and click on System Update. Obviously no update available right now. And now let's click on these three little dots here and click on Choose Update Package and draw your pattern here. Okay, accept this, accept. and choose your file that you have downloaded. This is the same ROM zip file that you have downloaded, and here you can see there is reboot and update option available. That means if you click on this reboot and update option, then your phone will reboot and install this beta ROM on your phone. But I'm going to cancel this because I have already installed this from TWRP, so hope you understand it. And now let's see either camera to API is enabled or not. And here you can see camera to API is not enabled, everything is crossed here, so camera to API is not enabled. That's it for today guys, hope you understand how to install this beta ROM on your phone. And if you like this video, just let me know, hit the like button and comment below, and share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to our Craxoid channel and hit the notification bell. So thank you for watching, see you in my next video. Okay, bye.